Today we're coming to pick up our bees.
Checking things out a little bit here. Oh boy. From kind of watching her and learning from her. That's the best way to get started, is with a good mentor. It's always crossed my mind because I always like the bees. Even though I don't like it when they sting me, but I still like them. Getting stung hurts. But I have arthritic knees, and it helps. That's what she has. Yeah, it helps. It helps her. I mean, it's like anything else. But it's fire, you get burned a few times.
Okay, first things first. We've got to take the staples off. And then this yellow cord there will hold the box up with the queen in it. And then we've got a hive ready to drop them into. They're fairly happy. The weather's not too bad. It's not actually raining this very moment. So here we go.
Okay,
I started using a staple puller a couple years back because I just can't get my fingers to work right. Okay, now the bees may or may not come out. You never know. This is the hard part here. That's why I wanted a small tool. This is the sugar water. And you got to get it out. But you can't get a hold of it unless you have fingernails, and I cut mine off so I can play. We move nice and slow. I'm wearing black, which is the most annoying color to bees. That's why we usually wear white or a light colored thing. We're less annoying. They gotta poop. They only protect their hive and their honey. They don't protect the queen, they just tend her. It's a work. So you don't have to worry about getting stung because they got nothing to protect. This is the queen. We're gonna move her real slowly because there's lots of girls hanging on. And then we usually take a quick peek. Push them out of the way. I don't want to kill anybody. Oh, a drone. That's fantastic. You can tell the way they're acting that she's in there. See her?
Mm-hmm.
She's a little bit bigger. There, she's just a lot bigger. Okay, now I was thinking maybe this time. Oh yeah, that's the other part. I know, don't shake the bees off. This is the hard part here. See that little cork?
Mm-hmm.
I got to get that little cork out so that she can eat her. Well, the workers, well, she doesn't feed herself. They'll feed her, but they'll dig her out. Usually when you get stung, it's because you've squashed one. There we go. And there's no candy. I didn't really want her out yet. It's a busy day for her. I'm going to push this back in. Yeah, I don't want her back. I don't want her out yet. Usually there's 3 days worth of candy, but they might have been in there for 3 days already. Ah, girls. There's the edge of the box. If I don't kill a few, it'll be a miracle.
I got a few of them on me. I'm just hoping I don't get zapped.
They won't zap you. They got nothing to protect. They only protect. Okay, there. So they're tucked back in. Oh, sorry, girls. Okay. And they will dive right back in.
They're going to try and protect the queen.
Nope. Only the hive and the honey. In their mind, they'll just make another queen if they need to.
I hope so, because he's going to be trying up around my face.
If I can poke a hole through here. There we go. Then I can dangle her. And I'll come back in a couple days and let her out. Move this over to here. It's starting to rain. Oop, thought I squashed one. I'm gonna tuck that in. And we just literally tuck her in. We'll take a frame out so they have lots of room. And we can put these back in when I let her back out. And now the bees are gonna fly all over. There. It doesn't matter how you tuck them in. And she'll set up housekeeping as soon as she gets out. Now bees are gonna fly crazy because I'm gonna dump them. So back up. See, they're going to go right down on top of that queen. They know she's in there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're going crazy, okay.
Just back up so you're comfortable.
That'd be in the house.
Oh.
So I got them landed.
And then call it a day and go back in the house.
All right,
and
go
I'll
ahead.
finish shaking them.
Go ahead. I'm going to step back just on the cement. This way I can still watch you.
You can go in the house.
Now what if you just set the box down on there?
If it was nice out, I would.
Yeah.
But it's raining.
Feel like I got one crawling on the back of my neck. I could be wrong. So I'm not gonna chance doing
You can't ever get
anything.
them all out.
Ah, right in my ear. Get out of my beard. Get out of my beard.
Wire hurts.
It's trying to go in my ear.
Oh, it's just on your face. They won't fit in your ear. She's tasting you.
Yeah, I don't taste that good, bee. Hopefully they'll leave me alone. Got one on my hand, one on my arm, no biggie. Couple on my arms. Now before we go in the house, I'll have you,
Check you?
yeah, because I still got a couple on my arms. I just don't want to get zapped if I don't have to.
The rest of them should fall in nicely on their own. And I'll put this upside down and save it for
I can feel one on my hat,
more hair.
or it could be under my hat.
That's why you wear a hat. Got the tool?
Yeah, no, but check up under my hat, my head. No? You must have
Wait
went
a
out.
second, there's one in your hair.
I knew I felt one.
Okay.